In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms with photo upload. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have a form that lets people upload images directly to you, all inside Google Forms. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. The easiest way is to search for Google Forms. Then click the official link and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a gallery of templates along with a blank form option. For this tutorial, choose a blank form so we can build everything from scratch. At the top, give your form a clear title, something like Photo Submission Form, or whatever matches your purpose. You can also add a short description underneath to explain what the form is for and what kind of photos you expect people to upload. Clear instructions here will save you a lot of back and forth later. Now let's add our first question. Click on the default question that appears. You can change the question text to something like, "Please upload your photo." On the right side of the question, you'll see a drop-down menu to select the question type. Open that menu and choose File Upload. Google Forms will show a message explaining that files will be collected in Google Drive. Confirm that by clicking Continue. Once File Upload is enabled, you'll see some options specific to this type of question. Here you can choose what types of files you'll accept. Since we want photos, select image formats like JPEG and PNG. You can also set the maximum number of files a user can upload for this question, and the maximum file size per upload. Think about your storage space in Google Drive when choosing this limit. If you want to make sure every responder uploads a photo, toggle the required option at the bottom of the question. This prevents people from submitting the form without adding an image. You can now add any other questions you need in the form, such as name, email, or short descriptions related to the photo. Use short answer or paragraph question types for those, depending on how much text you expect. When you're happy with your form, click the preview icon at the top to test it. Try uploading a photo yourself to make sure everything works as expected. Finally, use the Send button to share the form via link or email. All uploaded images will automatically be stored in a folder in your Google Drive, ready for you to review.